I know you guys seeing this magic. YouTube, what is up everybody? It's your boy Nick Stacks back at it again with another video, and today we're gonna be bringing my headlights back to life. As you could tell, these things are yellow, cloudy, foggy, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, my Nismo bumper is in. I got to drop it off for paint whenever my guy comes back on vacation. But before I put my bumper on, I want to make sure the front end looks good. So we're going to be bringing these headlights back to life, because they might not look as bad on camera, but trust me when I say these things are cloudy. Today's product, we're going to be using this Cerakote Complete Kit. Let me show you guys what's inside the box. Alright, so here's pretty much everything that comes in the Cerakote Complete Kit. We got step 1, which is oxidation wipes. Comes with like 8 packs. Pretty much 4 for each headlight. Then we got step 2, is a little sanding block. Comes with red pads, and it comes with these gray ones. Use the red ones first and then the grays. Comes with some gloves so you don't get none of this stuff on your hand, and then it comes with this clear coat ceramic for the end that you use to wipe. Pretty much going to show you guys all the steps, step by step, on how to do it. I heard this kit is one of the best on the market right now to restore your headlights. So let's get right into the video. First things first, oh by the way, make sure you wash and wipe down your headlights, clean them and wipe them down before you start this. And it's best to either tape around it so you don't get none of this stuff on your paint, and they also recommend opening your hood to make this easier. Okay, first thing I think you're gonna want to do, put these gloves on, So step 1, oxidation remover. Pretty much rub this in a circular motion. And you'll know it's working when it looks like this. Ew. It's already looking 10 times better. Look how clear that is. This is only step 1. But yeah, you'll know it's working if it has that yellow look. As you can see, that's 1 pack. Be careful with it on your paint. As you could tell, it's already looking way better compared to the first one. This is the one I just did, and this is the one I didn't do yet. Yellow, cloudy. This one you can see right through, and that's only step 1, guys. That's only step 1, the oxidation. I'm just gonna use this whole thing out and get them done the right way. It says 4 for each. I'm gonna use 4 for each just to do it right. Alright, next step. Once you're done with step 1, which is the oxidation remover, you're gonna take some water and rinse the stuff off the headlight. And it supposedly should get cloudy. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's getting cloudy. Alright. Make sure you clean off the headlight nice and good. Alright, she's dry. Now the next step is you're gonna grab this sanding handle block thing and put the red sandpaper on it. And then what you're gonna want to do is pretty much wet the headlight again. And pretty much lightly make sure you guys be careful with this on your paint. This will sand your paint and mess it up. As you can see, it's murky now. There's water. It's gonna cloud up. You do the same process. But you put the gray sandpaper on it now. All right, now we gotta dry it and get it ready for the last step. All right, this part says make sure there's no water. So as you can see, now these ones are even more foggy than these ones because that's the second step right there with the sanding block. And now time for the final step. Alright, and the final step is the ceramic clear coating. This stuff right here, when you're ready to apply it, you only wipe on a single line. You do not wipe over the same spot twice, and you do not wipe in circles, you wipe straight. Oh my magic. Holy. That was only the first wipe. I know you guys seeing this magic. And just like that, gotta get the edge. Just like that. Voila! Wow! They look brand new. Well, I can't say brand new, but they look better than before. Let me show you guys. Whoo! You can see the difference, trust me. Oh my God. So that's pretty much the steps on how to do it. I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna probably put this one in a time lapse, and let's get this one out the way. Yes, sirski. Shout out to that Cerakote, man. I'll leave the link in the description down below. Now I gotta clean this mess up, and time to get the bumper painted and thrown on to the Nismo. As you guys can see, it's nighttime, but look at how clear my headlights look again. You can't tell me those things don't look clean. Pretty much brand new again.
I got a feeling that